In this video, I'll show you how to use tables in PowerPoint to create a dynamic design. Today, we're creating a title with a resizable sidebar that extends along with the title text. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Both use the same basic approach, but one might be a little easier depending on your preference. Let's start with the first method. First, go to Insert, then choose Table and select a 2x1 table. That's 2 columns and 1 row. One of these cells will act as your sidebar, and the other will be used for your headline or title text. Click into the second cell. This is where your text will go. Then go to the Table Design tab, click on Shading, and select No Fill to make the background transparent. Now type your headline text and customize it. You can change the font color, font size, and style based on your design needs. You'll notice a divider between the two cells. This is important. This drag handle allows you to adjust the width of each cell. Use it to change the width of the sidebar as per your requirement. To make the sidebar even thinner, select the sidebar cell, go to the Table Layout tab. Then click Cell Margins and select None. This removes extra padding, giving you a cleaner, slimmer sidebar. This method gives you a lot of flexibility to control the sidebar size, and you can adjust it at any time using the drag handle. Now, if you find this method a bit complex, here's a simpler way. Insert a 1x1 table, just one cell. Go to Shading and set it to No Fill to make the background transparent. Type your text and apply your preferred font color and size. To create the sidebar effect, select the table, go to Table Design, then choose Pen Color and pick the color you want for your sidebar. You can also set the line weight here to adjust the thickness of the sidebar. Now go to Borders and select Left Border. And that's it, your simple sidebar is ready. Thanks for watching.